श्रीराम समर्थ श्रीराम। तुम्ही श्रोते जगदीश मूर्ती, तेथे माझी वित्पत्ती किती। बुद्धिहीन अल्पमती सलगे करीतो श्रीराम। जय जय रघुवीर समर्थ, सीताकांत स्मरण जय जय राम। ओम श्री श्री सद्गुरुनाथार्पणमस्तु। Good morning. My concern is with regard to this Advaita Grantha, Grantharaj Dasabodh, written by Samartha Sadguru Ramdas Swami about 400 years back. And in that regard, whether Samartha Ramdas Swami has explained the pure Advaita Vedanta or not, and therefore I have an intention to explore Samartha Ramdas Swami's teachings so far as Advaita Vedanta and the more particularly the direct path. I have already expressed about my opinion that I don't know whether somebody has done this task or not, but anyway I have decided to explore the Advaita Grantha, Grantharaj Dasabodh of Samartha Sadguru Ramdas Swami. Day after yesterday or 2-3 days back, I have made a video in Kannada, but in 2-3 days back, some of my acquaintances have commented and told me that the sessions are to be conducted in Kannada only, and my neighbor Mr. Kadlimatti has particularly expressed my concern that I have to talk in Kannada so that everybody can understand. Therefore, I express my concern regarding making of these videos in Kannada, but what I have taken the task insofar exploring the Advaita Vedanta or the Upanishad, it has to reach, my intention is that it has to reach globally, and therefore first thing first that I have to make some videos in English only, and thereafter provided if those who are interested in Kannada, they can also get these videos to be translated by me, or otherwise I can make separate videos for that. With that conclusion, I express my deep concern regarding the language barrier, but at the first instance I have to narrate the teachings of Samartha Sadguru Ramdas Swami only in English, and thereafter I may try my level best, because Kannada language is my mother tongue and there is no any problem to get that much of fluency, and then it can be done later on. Or otherwise, in the middle of these sessions itself, I can think over some of those Kannada sessions are also to be made. With these words, I start the future teachings of Samartha Sadguru Ramdas Swami on the aspect of the importance of human body, part 2. I have left in the earlier session to the extent that म्हणून नरदेह श्रेष्ठ नाना देहामध्ये वरिष्ठ ज्याचे निचुके आरिष्ठ यमयातनेचे. Yamayatanece means this is what the birth and death cycle. Once birth and death cycle stops to anybody, then he will be the most satisfied person on this earth. This is what the Samartha teaching says. And in future reference is made that even though the human body that we are blessed in the sense, but unlike other bodies of species, we supposed to be called as Homo sapiens. But so far as the other, animals, birds, insects, and so many creatures that are all, अश्व वृषभ गायी म्हैसी नाना पशु स्त्रिया दासी कृपाळूपणे सोडिता त्यासी कोणीतरी धरील. Likewise, cow and buffaloes, they are all, if we leave them, but somebody will catch them and take benefit out of them. It is not like for the humans. How तैसा नभे नरदेहो इच्छा जाव अथवा राहो परंतु यास कोणी पाहो बंधन करो सकेना. It is free willingly anybody can live here and there, or he can leave this present place and go anywhere he intends to go. He is having total freedom in this human perspective, human body. Anybody can be having total freedom. Therefore, that freedom is only provided in this human body. Therefore, we have to appreciate this. But there are some other disadvantages also. And what are those disadvantages? In 3-4 movies, Samartha also teaches us. In that way, नरदेह पांगुळ असता तरी तो कार्यास न येता अथवा थोंटा जरी असता तरी परोपकारास न ये. नरदेह अंध असिला तरी तो निपटची वाया गेला अथवा बधिर जरी असिला तरी निरूपण नाही. You see, some persons by birth itself become blind, or they cannot hear properly, or they cannot talk. Talking sense has also to be lost at any moment of the time, or by birth itself. And then ashakta rogi nasaka tarito nikarana. Ashakta in the sense, not having that much of energy, and ill-fated, rogi. This is all, which is not so useful in the sense. नरदेह असिला मूर्ख अथवा फेफऱ्यात संबंधाचे दुःख तरी तो जाणावा निरार्थक निश्चयेसी. Some problem, or a person who is a foolish fellow, foolish in the sense what we call human to human sense. In the sense, for example, I can take, if I am explaining you, or I am having conversation with you, that if we are talking each other, and then if any person before me, who is sitting before me, if he understands properly having conversation with us, then it is good thing. If I am going explaining itself and the person in front of me is laughing at, then it is to that extent something is going wrong. Therefore, the psychosomatic order of a human being, of bodily, soma, of psyche, is the brain. So these are totally must be in coordination with. Then only a person can be capable of doing anything and understanding the nature of this universe, or else that he himself can understand that what he should have to do. This is all very important. So therefore, at least a person can get in his mind or intellect that what a person can tell, because he must have the patience to hear something. First thing first, have the patience to hear, listen carefully. This is very important. And in that sense, Samartha Ramdas Swami tells us that, if this is not, then it is totally waste. Nirarthaka, nishcheyesh. This is like this, decision is itself like this, that if this is not, in a coordination, mind-body coordination, then it is totally wastage. And then, if at all these are all not, these were not be are overall in a good condition. Human body is good condition, having good condition, bodily, mentally, and if it is fit, then that Ovi, they starts it here. Ituke he nasataveng. If these are all not having any problems with human body, ituke he nasataveng. Veng means some disadvantages. Veng. And naradeha ani sakala sang. Having human body and having a good atmosphere also. For having, feeding the belly and doing the work and having some circle of friends, coordination. If this is having, naradeha ani sakala sang, tene dharava paramartha marga lagavege, without any, delay. Lagavege. Only thing he has to pick up that path and lead his life and start leading his life. In that particular sense of responsibility, what Samartha Ramdas Swami tells here. And what is that? Some day or on the other day I was explaining that something unknown is doing, that we don't know what. And if at all we as a human beings, if we intend to know that something unknown is doing, everything is being done by that something something, and we don't know. We don't know. And if we intend to know, then that is the work that we are taking the task to be involved with. And therefore, if having a good physical body and a sound mental status, then that itself is sufficient. And we have to maintain all the life, this mental and of psycho and somatic. Psychosomatic is, some doctors used to call, so there are so many psychosomatic disorders nowadays. They are all so many, this chronic illnesses are concerned. They are all psychosomatic disorders. So therefore, because of this, having a good circumstance, having the human body, then without any delay, a person can involve with that great path. And in that way, what Samartha tells us, Sanga Naradeha Zodale. And without getting that, without leading to a good path, what person involves with doing some other things is, Samartha tells us, Sanga Naradeha Zodale. Everything is given, everything is already destined, everything has been made, well versed with a human body, good human body, mind and all that. This is the system, whole system. And Ani Paramartha Buddhi Visarale. And if he forgets about that main path, which is that path, I am taking this in my next sessions. Paramartha Buddhi Visarale. Paramartha Buddhi means the highest wealth. The way of procuring highest wealth in this, on this earth, or after getting the human body as a human being. So, te murkh kaise bhramale maya jali. Samartha tells here, they call it. If anybody forgets about this one path to know, that is what I usually tells, to know one thing by which everything will be known. This is so wonderful. First thing first, I told here that something unknown is doing, we don't know what. And therefore, by knowing which that one thing, which is nothing, which is a no thing, but it is not an object, it is, we, for the sake of telling, expressing it, we call it as thing or nothing. Nothing matters, isn't it? So, in that way, by knowing that one thing, by knowing which everything will be known, and that has to be known. This is the first, utmost importance. One has to take note of the fact after getting a human body. And therefore, here Samartha reminds us and call it as, if he did not choose this path or doing whatever he chosen to, or goes anywhere, because this is a, in some of my earlier videos I was telling that bhuta sukrutanche anti, so many sacrifices and great, that sukruta means good deeds, having good deeds in future lives, then only this path can be attracted, isn't it? So therefore, in that way, some of the examples are given by Samartha Ramdas Swami. what he does by forgetting that important thing to be undertaken or to be get done or to be gone into that path. He does, मृत्तिका खाणून घर केले ते माझे ऐसे दृढ कल्पिले परी ते बहुतांचे हे कळले नाहीच तयासे. What he does, early in those earlier days only from the mud the houses are being built. Nowadays there are concrete and cement. This is all has been invented. But anyway, whatever I go on reading first thing first, and lastly I could explain it. What is that? This houses are being built, and used to call it as this is mine, house is mine. Such a great example that they gives. मूषक म्हणती आमुचे घर, पाली म्हणती घर आमुचे, मक्षिका म्हणती घर आमुचे निश्चयेशी. मूषक means mouse, rat. It calls this is my house. Pali, lizard tells that this is my house. Makshika म्हणती, flies, they utter that this is my house. Nishcheyeshi means it is perfectly, definitely they used to say like this. कांतण्या म्हणती घर आमुचे, मुंगळे म्हणती घर आमुचे, मुंग्या म्हणती घर आमुचे निश्चयेची. मुंग्या means ant. विंचू म्हणती आमुचे घर, विंचू scorpion. सर्प म्हणती आमुचे घर. I tell you that some of the words are easily understandable, so that everything cannot be explained here, need not be explained. But sarpa, these are all, even we can also use it in Kannada. Sarpa. Sarpa means, that we used to call. झुरळे म्हणती आमुचे घर निश्चयेसी. भ्रमर म्हणती आमुचे घर, भिंगोऱ्या म्हणती आमुचे घर, आळिका म्हणती आमुचे घर काष्टामध्ये. मार्जरे म्हणती कॅट्स, स्वाने म्हणती डॉग्स, मुंगुसे म्हणती आमुचे घर निश्चयेसी. पुंगळ म्हणती आमुचे घर, वाळव्या म्हणती आमुचे घर, पिसवा म्हणती आमुचे घर निश्चयेसी. ढेंकुण म्हणती आमुचे घर, चाचण्या म्हणती आमुचे घर, धुंगरडी म्हणती आमुचे घर निश्चयेसी. Like that, so many creatures, so many, the other, except the human, all tells that this is my घर, this is my house, this is my house. Go on uttering, go on. They, to that extent, they live like this. Like, तस्कर म्हणती आमुचे घर, राजकी म्हणती आमुचे घर, आग्न म्हणे आमुचे घर भस्म करो. Even a fire can also tells us that I can flame it, engulf it. So likewise, समस्त म्हणती घर आमुचे. All said, this is my house, this is my house, this is my. And हे मूर्ख ही म्हणे माझे. Likewise, a human being also tells that this is my house, this is my house. सेवट जड झाले ओझे टाकिला आदेश. And lastly, mine, this is mine. And lastly, when the life ends, then he leaves this place, and thereafter, अवघी घरे भंगिली गावांची पांढरी पडली, मग ते ग्रही राहिली आरण्य स्वापदे. जस्ट इमॅजिन फॉर दिस. If we say so, that this is mine, that is mine, this is mine, this is mine, everything is mine, 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 what we have accustomed to live like. If it lastly, when we depart from this body, then everything, of course, whatever the houses are being built here, once they are going to be destroyed by natural calamity or whatever it is, or because of the the tenure of its existence, ultimately they can vanish from this place. So therefore, at that moment, everything, if it is goes, if we imagine, then there is nothing. अवघी घरी भंगिली, गावांची पांढरी पडली, लाईक दिस. मग ते ग्रही राहिली आरण्य स्वापदे. आरण्य स्वापदे इन द सेन्स, like a forest, it may again to be converted. Automatically, it is to be happened as a forest. So therefore what Samartha says, किडा मुंगी वाळवी मूषक त्याचेच घर हे निश्चयात्मक. This is not only those who are telling, like the creatures, the mouse, the reptile, the rat, the cat, the dogs, they are having this sense of living. Therefore, rightly, it is their own house only, not for ours. Therefore, किडा मुंगी वाळवी त्यांचीच घर हे निश्चय. हे प्राणी बापुडे मूर्ख निघून गेले. Likewise, by telling this is our house, our people, our friends, our acquaintances, my father, my, like this, my mother, my sister, my wife, my children. This is all one sense of attachment. So that attachment goes on. हे मूर्ख हे म्हणे माझे माझे निघून गेले. आणि लास्टली लेफ्ट आउट. ऐसी ग्रहांची स्थिती. लाईकवाईज दिस इज मिथ्या आली आत्मप्रचिती. देर इज नो एनी एक्सपिरियन्स ऑफ रियालिटी. देअरफॉर जन्म दो दिसांची वस्ती कोठे तरी करावी. Life is only for 2 days. At least they have narrated it about only 2 days. It is already happening. What Adi Shankaracharya is once told, he has told it. Punarapi jananam, punarapi maranam, punarapi janani, jathare shayanam, iha samsare khalu dustare, kripaya pare pahi mura. Bhaja govindam, bhaja govindam. Govindam bhajam. So this is what, in the sense, what is going on? What is going on is, already it is happening in a larger scale, big scale. The vibration is going on. In that sense, the birth, so many births are taking place, so many deaths are occurring. Not for just a human being. It is for whole world, the creatures, so many termites and in the earth. There are so many innumerable life species are taking birth and arising and subsiding. This is going on. So likewise, ऐसी ग्रहांची स्थिती मिथ्या आली आत्म जन्म 2 दिसांची वस्ती कोठे. देह म्हणावे आपुले. इफ वी कॉल दिस बॉडी इज माइन, देन तरी हे बहुता कारणे निर्मिले. दिस बॉडी इज ऑल्सो मेंट फॉर सो मेनी पर्पजेस. बहुता कारणे निर्मिले. प्राण्यांचा माथा घर केले वा मस्तकी भक्षिती. In the brain itself there are so many insects and what you call, so many creatures are there, fungus what develop inside the brain, worms, germs, they are all inside the human body. Rome mule kide bhakshiti, this in the skin. There are so many germs. This is what पोटामध्ये जंत होती प्रत्यक्ष प्राणियांचा. कीड लागे दातासी, कीड लागे डोळ्यासी, कीड लागे कर्णासी आणि गोमाशा भरते. Now this recent past we have heard about this black fungus, yellow fungus, red fungus and all that. This is what it affects to the eye, like that. डोळ्यासी, कीड लागे डोळ्यासी, that is what the bacteria infection, like this is all. So many things, so many things, like it is, this human body is also made for other purposes. Therefore, then what should we? Aishe sharira bahutanche. Like this, the human body is the same for all the human beings. It is not my body is totally different than the others. It is not like this, It is same. The only thing is male, female, the system that has been designed is something different. But insofar as human structure is concerned, it is same for all the human beings. It never differentiates, Therefore, deha paramarthi lavile. Therefore, one who takes this advantage of having the human body and having interest in that highest wealth, parama arth, then only तरीच याचे सार्थक झाले, नाही तरी हे व्यर्थची गेले नाना आघाते मृत्युपंथे. Therefore, if we not take recourse to what is the utmost importance of having this human body, then everything will be wasted in the life. Therefore, असो जे प्रापंचिक मूर्ख ते काय जाणती परमार्थ सुख, त्या मूर्खाचे लक्षण काही एक पुढे बोलिले असे. Therefore, this is what the paramartha, advaita sukha, te काय जाणती परमार्थ सुख. Samartha Ramdas Swami tells us only because of the physical, doing things, and if not having any interest in this highest achievement after becoming a human being, then he is totally, Samartha says, his life will be wasted. Therefore, this is the second chapter. Why I second part, why I have taken this. This is a long samasa. Therefore, it took me to explain anything, but little bit I have explained. But it is the deepest interest is very astounding, and therefore the next important part is, and we all having this human body, great, having totally physical and mentally fit, then what is wrong with us in order of taking that greatest path? See, there are people, their preaching is going on, something is, Veda, Vedanta, Adhyayana, this is all going on. How many people, how many persons are teaching this? So many people are telling this. Every Shravan Masa comes, then people, hey, last time this fellow has been called upon, called by others. Now this is not required. Bring another person. Bring another person. So many people. How much we have to listen? How much? How many people are telling? This is all going on. But what is the benefit that has been accrued to us is very important. And in that way, where is that path? We must understand. Oneself has to understand where this is, what is going on, where is that. That is what Samartha Ramdas Swami take it. Or else there was another saint who happened in India. I remember his name is Swami Ramatirtha. Swami Ramatirtha, his original name is Tirtha Rama. Thereafter he became Swami Ramatirtha. He tells us, Kashmir is my head, Kanyakumari is my feet, Vindhya is my waist, Himalayas are my shoulders, and if I step into, then the whole India will step into. This is what it is. In Kannada, I can tell you, once Vidyananda Shranai has told this, very great, Kashmira nanna shira, Kanyakumari nanna pada yugmaಗಳು, ವಿಂಧ್ಯ ನನ್ನ ಸೊಂಟ, ಹಿಮಾಲಯದ ಶಿಖರಗಳೇ ನನ್ನ ಬಾಹುಗಳು, ನಾನು ಅಡಿಯಿಡಲು ಭಾರತವೇ ಅಡಿಯಿಟ್ಟಂತೆ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ದ ಗ್ರೇಟೆಸ್ಟ್ spirituality. You take it, you name it, but just by naming spirituality or anything else, it doesn't suit to, it will not reach to that point. Therefore, such great persons are all happened in India, and we are proud of their being having with us. Swami Vivekananda, they have all attained this supremacy, and thereby they have shown it also to the world. And at least if we would not become Swami Vivekananda or Swami Ramatirtha or Tirtharama, or you take it as Ramana Maharshi, it doesn't require. Where we are here, wherever we are here, we must get that satisfaction. And that is what Samartha Ramdas Swami tells here. You need not go anywhere. You need not go anywhere. Wherever you are. Taisa nahi. Baisale chithai. Baisale, wherever you are. By just sitting there itself, that utmost, aim and the satisfaction, peace could be achieved where you are. Nothing to go anywhere. Where you are living, where you are, along with your family, you can get it. So, therefore, these are two sessions in respect of importance of human body. But it is rather, I can even recommend you to read this Dasbodh. But by mere reading, and it must be developed for inculcating those teachings. That is my intention. And as per my knowledge, and as per my, though it might attract you, like as a, whatever be the explanation that has been given in Marathi, that has been translated into English language, but to that extent what they have written there, that I have explained in more particularly, which is important topic, the importance of human body, that I have already explained it in so far as the importance of this, what you call, what should be done, what is the highest wealth, how they have narrated is my next topic. Therefore, I take leave from you with these words. Day after tomorrow, or I already told somebody else that some persons are forcing me to do these conversations in Kannada also, provided I first complete it in English, because in so far as Advaita Samartha Ramdas Swami's Granth is concerned, that it has to reach globally. Therefore, I will first complete it in English, and thereafter, or in the middle elsewhere, if I intend to make some videos, that I choose to make English videos, Kannada. Therefore, I request all of you to take note of that, and share, comment. Your feedback is also important for me, whether I am telling in that sense or not. And more particularly, it is difficult for anybody to give feedback, because this is based upon this Advaita Grantha, Therefore, it is having some difficulty. I can also understand, but it is not generally what I used to talk. If anybody used to talk, generally I may also go on talking, much time, but based upon this particular aspect of Advaita Vedanta and Advaita, more particularly the direct path, because there are so many pathways, I have already narrated it. Therefore, the next topic is, what is that Paramartha Stavana? The Paramartha Stavana, that, the importance of that Paramartha, and where it is available, how it is, what is its description, what at all it is involved, is the next session that I am going to conduct. Therefore, I end here. Om Shri Shri Sadgurunatharpanamastu.